Slane Red.
We live?
We live. And we with
yeah.
Neko Kyle.
Gaming with Kyle.
And we with Illusion G.
This is going on Slane Red
So
Vlogs.
he's trying to fix my controller because look at this bullcrap.
You push it.
You push
and
it, it goes
it's
all the
deep.
way down, and it feels weird.
Yep.
And it has a nice.
This one you don't go deep. And look at this. Push it down.
Oh,
See, look that down.
Oh.
And then look at the other side. Look at the other one.
this one does not go down.
It
does
goes so
not go
far.
down.
Oh, it goes so down. Look at this.
Some freak.
It's coming
Now,
out.
don't lose screws. Put it right here.
Yep.
Game with Kyle.
Oh,
on
try
YouTube.
not to lose these.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
What I did is that in order to remember where the screws are, I just put them and lay them out where they were on the controller. So
Ooh,
you
strat.
can remember. So like this was on the left, and then you put the
Yep.
right one right there.
Hopefully we don't drop it.
Get the action.
Oh, yeah. You do.
Oh, yeah.
You film it. You film it.
Yep. So there was a shell. Where's the shells?
I don't know.
Oh, there they are. Nice and empty.
Nice and empty. This is where the screws are. But nice and empty.
Illusion G.
You know I could hack this. I can hack out of it.
All right, this one, I can take it out with the magnet.
Do it? You do it?
Oh!
Oh.
Yo, where'd it go, Jen?
Yo.
Oh, shoot. All right, this one goes there. Hopefully this desk does not shake them all off, fall to the floor.
We're gonna
Good
combine the videos into one.
Yep.
Just use an app. I know there's some apps that do that.
All right, I don't know what to do now.
I'm just the
all out.
cameraman. You're the cameraman. I'm just the lighting man.
Where's the sound? We gotta have someone with a mic.
Yep. Does it come off?
You good? You good? Yeah.
Oh,
You need to chip it off.
don't
Look,
worry.
it's already chipping off.
Oh, the light.
Oh,
You have to get it off. Try to. Oh wait, we need like a ding pin thing. My sister got she got out in the back. Yeah,
we in.
Get it.
Look, we going in.
There's the battery.
Wait, take out the battery.
Look at this back.
Alright, check out the battery.
The battery. Let me see
Is
it.
there any more?
Battery.
There's more screws.
All right.
There's one more screw right there.
Yo, we going in.
We
I think
going
there's
in?
Oh,
Oh,
dang.
no.
I hit the.
There's another screw right there. and
Oh,
right there.
so many.
There's 3 right there. Alright, so we got the back off.
Yep. Now we got more screws to go
We
in.
got one right there, and one right there.
Man, there's a lot of it.
Them screws.
Yep.
All them screws. Got the light man, how you doing?
What's up? Yeah, Illusion G out there. Yeah.
Oh, trying to promote that TikTok?
Wait, renegade. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Cut it.
Ugh. Renegade?
Renegade.
Oh,
What's up?
Screw.
one more. Going in.
Got it.
Can we rip off the face?
We can look more into the video.
We're going.
Alright, we can look more into the video if we need to.
All right. Oh, I found some more. Maybe
Infinite screws.
Wait. And
there. Oh wait, I
we have
have
to
to.
go to the other side, mate.
How do we get reach in there? That's uber small.
There's a lot of screws.
I don't know how to get these ones out. These ones be uber thin. Might have to use these.
Watching him.
Oh, they cut it off.
Oh,
They cut it off.
Let me see.
Oh.
They cut it off.
there's some more screws in here. I cannot reach.
Yeah, that's the one he's trying to unscrew now.
Hopefully we can fit. We can
You
fit.
fit.
Yo!
Whoop. Nay.
6. Yeah. 9 screws. There's gonna be 2 more.
Yep.
And 11 screws.
Now we can finally rip the face.
Get that. Get that.
Oh! The screws are still in. coming out.
I see dust coming out.
Already.
Dust?
So that's, I guess, a good idea to kind of have the rumble go through to the front here, because this all appears to all be one
Okay, we
piece,
got one screw.
which is good.
Where did he?
A lot like it is, and it's actually a 13. Let's just.
Alright, whatever. Hopefully we can pull the face. We're going in.
Oh yeah.
Oh! Oh!
Yo, wait, watch the cable, watch the cable.
Yo.
Right there.
See, that's what that's you can't see underneath.
Oh my god.
Watch
Yo!
it.
Let's see.
Ew, what's in there?
Wait, where's the...
Wait, fix it. It's like,
Oh!
Oh,
do you see that?
A roll? We in.
Just like, look under it.
Can we pull it out? Oh!
oh.
Is it dirty?
Wait,
Check
where's...
underneath.
Where is it?
Let me see.
Look underneath. Look at it.
Is it the rubber band right there?
Rubber band?
That white one right there. Is that a rubber band? Maybe that's doing the thing.
Oh. Maybe. Ooh.
You
It
can
is,
still
it
feel
is.
it.
Oh, I can see some plastic broken.
It is.
Yeah, I can see some broken.
Let's see.
I have to I don't know. I have to go in deeper though.
It's not the
And I
mechanics.
think that's supposed to
Where's
touch.
the message?
Oh, it's on the stake. I
Is
think.
it? Let me see.
The what?
There's a secret message.
Yep.
It's not in there.
Do you see it? Where
Oh,
that
it's
though?
inside.
Where's the message at? Oh wait, there it is. There. Oh, thanks. Them's all game bonds.
Game
You see it, yo?
Bonds right there.
Wait,
Yo, the focus so. Oh.
Thanks to all gamers, gamer fans.
Can I see? Go see.
Yo. There's the message.
Hey.
We gotta.
That's a good thumbnail shot right here too.
Wait, how do you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see some broken pieces.
Yo.
Wait, is it still like?
Yeah. I don't know if we can fix.
Yeah, it goes deep in.
Oh, I saw some, bro.
How about
Oh,
this one?
look at that rubber band.
Wait, take out this one.
that-
Let's see.
Alright.
Ooh.
Yeah, see? It's fixed. That's how it's supposed to be. And you have to, when you press it down, you press that thing, that button.
Ooh.
Do it again.
Like-
Wait, it goes down a little bit. Look, do that one.
And this, oh! Got some rubber bands. This one, you can't press down.
Wait.
There's a plastic.
Press D.
Oh,